The Christmas season is right around the corner, and this is the largest area where Etsy is going to get a ton of people on the platform searching and buying products. And if you're not focused on specific areas in regards to what products to create, you might be missing out on a huge opportunity for you to make some real income this Christmas season. So in today's video, I want to go over 4 different areas you need to start listing products and start making sales. I want to share this all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I teach you how to make income online by creating and selling your own products. So if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. Now, Printify is going to be the main place where we upload our designs because Printify syncs well with Etsy. That means every time you get an order from Etsy, it shows up in Printify, and Printify prints and fulfills your orders for your customers. Again, this allows this business to be extremely passive, as you don't have to worry about holding inventory in your home or printing or shipping out anything yourself. Now, Printify has a large category of different products to create. I think many are great for this Q4 season. Now, if you want to try Printify on your own, they were so kind to give my audience a discount code to use their premium version absolutely free for 30 days. This is what I use because I get a major discount every time I get an order for my products. Again, the more money I can save in the long run, the more money I get in my pocket. I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below for you to test this out and to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. So in our first example of the 4 groups we talked about, people, professions, occasions, and seasons, we're really going to just focus on people and how there's a huge opportunity for you to make a ton of sales this Q4 season, and more so focusing on specific people and how they are categorized. So that's your moms, your grandmas, your aunties, your uncles, your aunts, but it's different ways to categorize them where we're able to see some opportunities for us to make some sales. So our first example here on the screen obviously is a mom shirt, but of course we're categorizing that specific person by saying mama. And as you can see here, these are these type of t-shirts and sweatshirts that's going to sell extremely well this year, this Q4. And again, this specific product, and I would encourage you for all these products to add personalization. That's how you're really going to stand out above the rest of the competition. So again, this shirt here is a floral mom shirt, but of course we have that specific term for this person, mama. But just take note here of the trending items I see here. First of all, I see of course the flower or the wildflower design here. I have the word mama here. Nothing extremely huge in regards to personalization. This specific design is in the pocket area of this product. And again, this is how you're able to really stand out above the rest of the competition, as opposed to just having your design right here in the middle. You can add in this pocket area, as well as even putting some things on the back of the t-shirt to bring out your design even more. Now, this shirt does offer personalization, which is a huge thing I tell you all the time in your products. And again, I can see that this can be personalized with a specific date, but I would even go as far as to create a version of this design here with adding in personalization to different names or adding names to this particular product. Again, all these things are going to help you stand out above the rest of the shirts here in this category, where you're able to really start selling and really bringing in some great results this Q4. So one of the things I also like to do when I am looking up products like this is look at the first line of the products, because again, this will give me indication as into what specific keywords I need to add to my titles as well as my tags. And of course, we know Etsy put a ton of emphasis on the first line of the listing because that is what's showing up in the URL, and that's most likely what people are typing in to even find this product here. So I know that not only will I learn from the designs from today's examples, but also I'm learning from the top keywords here, because again, that is what's going to lead my design in regards to keywords. Now, here's another example of a t-shirt that is doing well in our space today of creating t-shirts for specific people. And we understand that we need to make sure that whatever is in the title is reflecting well in the design itself. Both have to be visible and relevant to each other for there to be great conversion. So for instance here, if I'm learning from their title that this is a retro mama shirt with leopard mama print in it somewhere, and I create a shirt that doesn't have anything retro or leopard print, then obviously this is not going to convert well, right? These two things need to marry well to each other for there to be great conversion. The keywords need to match the design. But one thing to know here is that we know that the mama style retro design is doing well. But again, what this is lacking is personalization. Now, one little side note that I see to work well for my shop is that when I do see best-selling products like this that's doing extremely well and they do not offer personalization, that is that one small value I can add to this design that can be a game changer for someone who's looking up a product like this but want to have that opportunity to add personalization to it. Now, of course, I can take the text a different way by adding in more so of a groovy type style retro design here. But again, understanding these color points in this design element in the middle is what I definitely want to learn from this and add in my own variation. Now, of course, as we're talking about different type of people, we definitely want to be mindful that if we are focusing on a t-shirt like this that says mama, we can actually go a little bit further and add a different type of person to this design style, and we can actually show up in a place where this is not even offered but create tons of value. For instance, we can add aunt to this and add that aunt particular phrase across the entire t-shirt. We can add Nana here across this particular phrase for this t-shirt. And again, the opportunities to personalize this or to make this for a different niche or a different person is really unlimited in regards to how many different ways we can categorize that person and definitely branch off into different people in regards to this product. Now, one of the things I like to do also is to look at the number of reviews for a specific product. Again, this will give me indication as into how well this product has done over the course of the lifetime of the product. Now, of course, I can't see all of the data here unless I use a tool, but Etsy gives us really good numbers here for us to really make some decisions in regards to what type of products we need to really focus on, because again, the sales velocity will let me know the potential of sales I can make. So we have two numbers here at the bottom. We have the reviews for this specific product and we have the reviews for the entire shop. Now, I love this because I see this particular listing has a review count almost 350 reviews. That means it has received a ton of sales. In my estimation, in my shop, it takes between 5 to 7 purchases for one person to leave a review. So you can imagine the possible sales this particular listing has made in a lifetime of this being visible on Etsy. Again, if multiple people are buying this, then there's something about this design that's striking something with the shoppers. And we definitely want to take that, learn from that, reorganize that, and present that to a different audience, a different way with a different person, even featuring on our product in different type of categories and niches. Now, here is an example of a mama t-shirt that is doing well. We see the level of demand right now has, of course, 20 plus people in the cart, but 5 people has bought this in the last 24 hours. It does has a bestsellers badge. But this is what I'm talking about here, adding in that personalization to a space like this where there may not even be any opportunities for there to be personalization in this product because it's not listed here. But we can definitely learn from other t-shirts that's doing well, add some things into designs that's not offering that as an opportunity, and definitely bringing some things into our design here. So we understand this shirt is doing well. Again, it's adding in that customization. I always look at the first line and see what is significant in regards to the keywords and how that match well with the design I see in front of me. Of course, it says custom mama shirt, but again, as I often told you, we can take this design that's doing well and merge this over to different type of people. Again, custom nana shirt, custom aunt shirt, custom cousin shirt, custom dad shirt, still following the same design trends, but adding this design for a different person. Now, when you are creating different products for people, creating a design for a grandma is a great place for you to land your products. Now, look at this example here. This is a grandma t-shirt or a sweatshirt design. And we see they're using some of the popular trending things that we talked about in previous videos, like the retro style font and also the retro style colors like we have on our design here. And adding in different type of wording like cool grandma club is something I have seen to work well. Again, just not with the grandma niche, but again, we learn to take these type of designs and these type of trends and merge them over to different people. We can use this for cool grandma's club, cool auntie club, cool mama club. But the whole point here is that we definitely want to start branching off into different people. And of course, we also have to look at the different ways, even in our space right now, grandmas are categorized. So we have grandma, Gigi, Nana, those are different terms people are typing in that we can show up and be visible with similar designs. Now, as always, I often told you, if this design is doing well, bestseller, 20+ people in the cart, I like to look at the first line of the product just to make sure that I know what keywords they're using so that when I create my products, it pair well with my design. Now, one of the things I automatically see that I can add value in is adding in personalization. We know that most of the gifts for fourth quarter is going to be purchased for a loved one. So we know that we can add in some unique personalization and add in that value that may be missing in this area. And therefore, we're able to get more clicks, more sales because our designs stand out above the rest of the competition. Also, a unique place to add personalization to a sweatshirt is on the sleeve of the shirt. We see these are doing great, and it's a unique trend that you can make some personalizations to when you come to designs like this. And these are really easy to make. If you want me to show you how to create a sleeve design for these type of sweatshirts, let me know in the comment section below. So here is an example of what I mean by taking that popular phrase, cool grandma club, and adding it to a specific person. And again, we have that same type of layout, the retro style. We have the retro colors, the retro font, and that whole retro vibe going on here. But of course, to add in a different person in the middle as opposed to grandma. Now, this is a design that you can really create, 10 different versions, 20 different versions by adding in different people in the middle here. And of course, different type of styles on the outside of the design. But the whole point here is that you can see by identifying popular phrases and adding in different people in here can be something that could be value here to get some sales this Q4. You can see here that they utilize two trending design placements I talked about recently on my video. They use the pocket placement as well as the back placement of the designs. This is an easy way for you to stand out above the rest of the competition. If you find multiple shirts that have this phrase here, Cool's Art Club, but they have it in the center of the t-shirt, you can just be unique and just create this on the back of the t-shirt and create a pocket style with the same type of words on it. And instantly you have created extreme amount of value for those who are looking for a specific product like this. Now, we already have indication from Etsy that this is doing extremely well. Of course, this is a best-selling product, but this one here shows me that 3 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So of course, this has 20+ people in the cart, but the amount of demand here, 3 people bought this in the last 24 hours, and we're not even hitting peak season of fourth quarter. We know this is going to do extremely well. Now, to close this video out, this is what I mean by adding in personalization. This product here just has the popular phrase, blessed to be a nana. That's something that's referring to grandma. That's what I mean by different type of, categories or titles if you want to use that for different people. So again, you can have grandma, nana, all different type of terminologies, GG for grandma. But one thing I just want to note here before we finish up this video is that how they added in a simple personalization, but again, that personalization helped them stand out. So we already know that blessed to be called nana is a popular phrase on Etsy that's doing well, but what made their product stand out above the rest of the competitors, just adding in this small little opportunity for this product to be personalized, adding in these specific names here that of course can be changed by the customer, but just displaying the opportunity for things to be personalized. I would even add in here some type of, little icon here, some badge here, letting people know that this item can be personalized. And then of course we go to the beginning of the title. Again, this is what you need to do as a normal practice so you understand what is being utilized for keywords, because this is how people are finding this product. And as you can see, the beginning of this title uses 2 specific things that lean into what this product is all about. This is a personalized grandma shirt, so personalization is key. And again, it says custom blessed to be called nana. Blessed to be called nana is a popular phrase, but they added in the word custom before that, again, allowing this person to see this is a customized, personalized item, but still following popular phrases. Now, as you can see as well, they're not utilizing a ton of graphics to showcase the personalization, but again, just offering that and displaying that with simple text here is a great opportunity for you to make some sales this Q4. So as you can see, utilizing these 4 areas for your print-on-demand business can actually skyrocket your sales this Christmas season. And by using Printify, you're able to upload those designs that you can see here very easily over to Printify that can show up right on Etsy, so that if somebody sees it, they can purchase it, and therefore Printify can fulfill it for you. Now, again, if you want to try Printify Premium on your own, again, I make sure to leave that discount code in my description box below for you to just try this out and to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. Now, in today's video, I didn't have time to go over the actual steps to start an Etsy shop with Printify, However, if you want to learn my full step-by-step tutorial, make sure you click this next video here. And if you want to learn more about how to make income online, then consider subscribing to my channel here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.